Hello and welcome to Quick Learn Photography, straight to the point videos that teach you everything that I've learned in over the last 10 years of professional photography. My name's James, and in this one we're going to talk about camera straps. Okay, it's quite a simple one. Camera straps. Now when you buy a camera, brand new, or even second hand if it comes with it, out the box comes a camera strap. So this is the camera strap for the camera that's videoing me right now, and as you can see I haven't even opened it. There it is. It's still wrapped straight out of the box. I haven't touched it and I haven't put it on. The reason being is because, like all camera straps, it has the make of the camera on it. So I choose, if I do use a camera strap, I just got a generic one years ago with nothing on it at all. All right? Why? I've never been mugged or anything, but basically you're advertising what the camera is. And if you think about it, cameras don't have a lock-in system like phones, you know, like a code or a fingerprint or face recognition. Someone could just steal one or mug you for it, hit you on the head for it and take your camera. I've heard tricks where, like in other countries, you know, really busy cities and that, people have like little sort of hook scissor type things and they'll distract you and cut your camera strap and run off. Now, if you're walking around with the camera strap on that come with the camera, and the reason I say this is because I see loads of people doing it when I'm traveling or on a holiday. I'm just thinking, why are you advertising what that camera's worth? Someone's just got to follow you, go on their phone on like eBay or Amazon, or just type in that brand name and think, whoa, that's worth a few £1,000 or a few £100, or I could get quite a bit for that second hand. So, and they'll have you for it. So I've heard of camera theft. You know, it's quite a common thing, especially in busy places. But when you wear that strap around your neck, bearing in mind that bit goes around the back of your neck and it's written there for all to see. Someone could be following you thinking, ooh, that's quite a pricey camera, I'll have that one. So just get a plain one. Get a plain one if you're traveling, or just in general if you're using it out and about, because some cameras can be in the thousands, really, really expensive. I saw one ages ago. I was on a holiday and I saw this guy with a camera. He looked like retirement age, maybe a bit older. He even had a walking stick with him. So he obviously wouldn't be out to run after someone, and he had the much better version of, he had one of the top tier Sony cameras, and he had it advertised around his neck what it was. And we're talking, I think it was about £5,000. It was like, you're just begging to be mugged. So it's just me, but I wouldn't dream of putting a camera strap on that comes out of the box. So if you've bought a nice piece of kit, just take that, bear that in mind, and just get a plain camera strap. I have heard to the extreme someone that went to, they were traveling in like quite a poorer area, and he took quite an expensive piece of gear. So what he did is he had an old camera strap from a really, really cheap camera from years and years and years ago, something that cost like not even £100 second hand. He put that camera strap on, the expensive one. So if someone checked out what that camera was, they'll think, oh, I'll only get like not a lot of money for it, so it's not worth it. That was quite a clever move, I thought. So yeah, beware the camera strap, because you can't lock your camera, you can't put a code on it like a phone, and you're just advertising to people what it's worth. So I hope that helps and stops you getting mugged one day for your camera. Now, this is a photography channel, so I'm giving photography advice, even like the one I just gave, but I also teach photography. I've done a lot on the previous videos of how to do photography. Sort of advice on photography if you're doing it as a business. But if you need any one-to-one coaching for anything specifically, then get in touch. If it's something I think I can help you with photography related, then we can do a one-to-one session on Zoom where you can ask me anything and I can help you through your photography needs. So get in touch below if you think that's something that you would find useful. So I hope this video helped, and don't advertise your camera with the strap.